Huh? Sir. You're on candy camera. Wake up, son. Is it true about you and Angelina Jolie? Huh? Are you guys having a breakup? Come on, get up, man. Damn. I've been trying to wake you up for like 25 minutes. Where am I? Why do my daddy play so much? Get up, man. Wake your ass up. Dominic. All right. Hey. Hey. Come in, we gotta put some clothes on. It's time to go. You making me sleepy. Come on, man. Chill your ass up. You got something you want to tell me? You been smoking weed? Drinking or something? What the fuck? I've been trying to wake you up for like 3 hours. Wake up. Wake up, boy. Bro. Bust your head up. You good? Look at this hole in your shirt, fella, man. What the fuck? Hey! Wake up, man. What are you doing? Your mama's gonna be tripping out in a minute. We can be late. No, she is. No, she be talking crazy. Get up there. Get up. Open your eyes. Hello? Wake up. Alright. You woke? Alright, man. Look at me. Yeah, you woke now.